Dr. Zakir, though it is true that Islam is a universal religion of mankind, many Muslims, it seems, and non-Muslims, consider that the Quran is a message only for the Muslims. Can you just clarify, is it only just for the Muslims?
Many people do have a misunderstanding, as you rightly mentioned. Many Muslims as well as non-Muslims have a misunderstanding that Quran was revealed only for the Muslims. In fact, nowhere does the Quran say that it was revealed only for the Muslims. In fact, the Quran says in Surah Ibrahim, chapter number 14, verse number 1, Alif Lam Ra. This is a book which was given to thee, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, so that thou may leadest the mankind from darkness to light. It doesn't say that this book will only lead the Muslims from darkness to light, but lead the humankind from darkness to light. It's further mentioned in Surah Ibrahim, chapter number 14, verse number 52. Here is a message for mankind. Let them take warning therefrom. Let them know there is only one God. Let the men of understanding take heed. It says here is a message for humankind, not only for the Muslims or the Arabs. And it's further mentioned in Surah Baqarah, chapter 2, verse number 185. Ramadan was the month in which the Quran was revealed as a guidance for humankind. Clear signs of guidance and judgment, criteria to judge right from wrong. And it's further mentioned in Surah Az-Zumar, chapter 39, verse number 41, that we have revealed the Quran, we have given the Quran to thee, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, so that thou may instruct the humankind. It doesn't say that thou may instruct only the Muslims or the Arabs, but the whole of humankind. And Prophet Muhammad was not sent only for the Muslims or only for the Arabs. The Quran says in Surah Anbiya, chapter number 21, verse number 107, وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا رَحْمَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ, that we have sent thee not but as a mercy to the whole of humankind, as a mercy to all the worlds, as a mercy to all the creatures. A similar message is repeated in Surah Sabah, chapter number 34, verse number 28. وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا كَافَّةً لِلنَّاسِ بَشِيرًا وَنَذِيرًا. We have sent thee not but as a universal messenger, giving glad tidings and warning them against sin. But most of the human beings they did not know. So the Quran, the last and final revelation, and the last and final messenger, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, they were not sent only for the Muslims or the Arabs, they were sent for the whole of humankind.
I'm glad you've confirmed that now. Now it's out on record. Everybody has a chance.
And they have no excuse.
Absolutely.